If you've got an 01 to 06 Hyundai Santa Fe with a burnt out turn signal, I'm talking the amber bulb right here is the parking / turn signal bulb. I'm going to show you how to change it. I'll show you the part number and what the bulbs cost as well. Depending on what year and what design headlight you have will depend on what bulb you're going to need. This is the amber bulb for this vehicle. It's a 2357A. And that's because there's no amber lens here. This is all clear. So I have to use an amber bulb. Now if you have one with a amber lens right here, then you just get the 2357 and it's going to be a clear bulb. Other than that, they're the same bulb. Now if you have small hands, you can reach behind here and pull these out, but it's very tight. So I'm going to show you how to take these screws out and pull the headlight straight back. You're going to want a 10mm socket wrench, and then you're going to take these 3 screws out right here. Once those 3 screws are out, go ahead and grab the headlight lens, pull it straight out. And you're just going to turn your bulb holder a 1/4 turn and pull it straight out. So once you have your bulb exposed, go ahead and remove your old one. You want to use latex gloves. You don't want your oil from your fingertips to get on your new bulbs. If it does, it will create a hot spot wherever you touch this bulb, and it's going to wear out prematurely. So grab your new bulb, and you're just going to push it in those slots, push down, turn, and you'll feel it lock in place. Then insert your bulb holder back in your headlight housing. You're going to line up the tabs in there, do a 1/4 turn, and now you've got it locked in place. Now before you put your headlight housing back in place, go ahead and turn your lights on from inside the car. Turn them on a couple times and make sure it works before putting your housing back in place. Once you know the bulb is secure and the light works good, you're just going to push your headlight housing straight back. And then I usually start with this top screw right here. Go ahead and then line up this one next. And then I install this one last because you may have to wiggle this up and down some to get it to line up. If you do that one first, it's a little harder to line these 2 up. So I line the 2 top up and then this one last. Seems to go in a little better that way. And go ahead and tighten the 3 screws. Congratulations on changing your own turn signal bulbs. Now I highly recommend you do both sides because if one goes out, the other one is not far behind. And since you're already working on it, you might as well do the other side anyway. These bulbs were $6.99 at Advanced Auto. If you want to go LED, that was about double the price. But this old of a vehicle, I just stuck the standard equipment back in it. Hope this was helpful, and thank you guys for watching.